Hi friends, my name is Umang Shah and today I'm going to teach you how you can control your perspectives in Adobe Lightroom. To begin with, let's go to Transform panel in the Develop module in Adobe Lightroom. First I'll drag my verticals and then a bit of horizontals. I'll also shift my offset. I think this looks good. And then I'll fix my rotate as well, and lastly I'll scale my image and to constraint crop. I can see the top is being cut, so I'll still reduce my offset a bit, and then this looks good. And some more horizontals to look straight, as well as a bit of verticals. Yeah, that this looks good, and I'll show you before and after. Hope you like this, and do let me know in comments if you would like to see such more videos. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you again.